Namaste, my deep divine gratitude. Myself, Dr. Vishwajit Singh, also known as Grandmaster Vishnu. Today I want to talk about the Usui Reiki Plus course by Reiki Dynamic Healing and why we have made it into 40 days. As many of you already know about me, and those of you who don't know about my teaching career, I have been teaching Reiki since more than a decade. I have been teaching Reiki internationally since 6 to 7 years now, and while teaching I realized that there are some families who don't have traditions of energy healings, those people who don't have a single basic knowledge of energy healing, and there are particular rituals which energy healers performs, and there are particular foods which energy healers eat in each and every country. If you have a background of energy healing in your family, you must be performing some rituals, some acts, some activities, and isn't it? But when I figure out that there are many people who are very naive in energy healing and they don't have absolutely no knowledge of energy healing, I decided that I will put all the informations, all the knowledge, and all the practical tools for them so that they can have good experience of energy healing. And I synthesize the yogic practices which are being done in India into our Usui Reiki level 1 basic course. I have synthesized into every level, but for level 1 I have specially introduced the course for 40 days because I think 40 days are enough for everyone to have a practical shift in their life. In this 40-day course, you will get attunement or initiation, which means that I will transfer my energy and lineage into your body, and that energy will grow and you will self-heal yourself with that energy. We will make you energy sensitive so that you cannot question it. When you will have experience of energy in your body, then these questions will go out of your mind that even energy exists or not. Then we will talk about how energy healing works in the scientific manners. We have some researches going on in Reiki as well, so we have some proofs of that. Then we will further, we have made this course into 6-week journey or a 6-week quest where you will be learning each and everything step by step, and also you will be applying all the principles and all the activities and all the tools which will be provided. So I expect that your energy will shift from low to high. Your life should go ahead, and if you have any kind of targets for your life, if you have any targets for healing, you must tell us so that we can guide you to heal that in majority way, right? If you have some disturbance in your health and you want to heal that particular disease, then we will provide you free support from us on how you can heal it on a better way. If you have some social conflicts in your life, then we can give you guidance on how we can clear and heal that social conflicts. If you have some disturbance in making money or having reputation or having any kind of problem, then we can also guide us to how you can channel that energy and heal that specifically. I don't want to make this video very long, but there are things I want to tell you, because when I say people that we can teach Reiki in 1 or 2 days, that is very much possible. They even give you a certificate when they say, and I can also provide that, but that for me is just like a piece of paper that doesn't exist even. Reiki needs self-healing also. When you will be receiving your attunement, I will initiate you into a energy practice. You will be doing your self healing with with help of energy, and it takes around 1 hour and 12 minutes per day. For Reiki level 1, I am saying, because it will activate your channel. Now, on another step, it is also optional. Why? Because you can get your certificate just by having an attunement, isn't it? But if you want to transform your life, if you want to have grace of energy in your body, you must need that self healing in your life. So you can do that self healing as much as you want. Whenever you feel there is some obstacles in your life, you can go for that kind of self healing, and you will see that aligning your energy and healing your energy can heal the outer consequences of it. Means healing your energy can heal your life. It is as simple as that. So that is why I don't go for shorter courses. You will need so much information which cannot be given to you in matter of 2 or 3 days. I think it is very logical. Hence, since 6 to 7 years we are teaching Reiki internationally, and with this long and meaningful and knowledgeable course. And once you try to have experience of energy with this amount of knowledge in your body, you will find yourself that because of your knowledge and because of your practice, you are more successful than many other people, many other certificate people, because we are working on your transformation. We have no hurry to provide you any kind of certificate, and we will be very happy when we see your life getting transformed with the help of Reiki. So thank you so much, and I look forward to see you in our course, and then we can talk. And we have a free system of talking. Don't think that you can ask any question, you cannot ask any question. Feel free, feel like a family. You all of your questions are going to be answered, all your issues will be going to be resolved. At least we will try our best, in our best knowledge, in our best energy, to help you with everything. And join your tribe, do the group healing meditations. You will feel your expansion and you will feel your transformation. Thank you. Namaste.